हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। कल के वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस करी थी प्रॉपर्टी, कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ रैशनल नंबर। आज के वीडियो में अनदर प्रॉपर्टी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी, एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ रैशनल नंबर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस। दिस प्रॉपर्टी also we will discuss for all mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So now we are going to discuss this property for addition. Let A, B and C are three rational numbers So we will check whether A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C or not. This is the property. This is the associative property of addition for rational number. तो हम ये चेक करेंगे सबसे पहले. Let A is equals to 2 by 3, B is equals to minus 3 by 5, C is equals to 4 by 9. You can take any other values of A, B and C also and check this property. Now we will take A plus B plus C. We will put the values here. 2 by 3 plus what is the value of B? B is minus 3 by 5 plus 4 by 9. Then firstly we will solve the values which are in the bracket. We will take the LCM of 9 and 5. What we will get? We will get 45. 5 9s are 45, 9 3s are 27 plus 9 5s are 45, 9 5s are 45, 5 4s are 20. So the answer will be minus 7 upon 45. For further solution, what we will do? We will take the LCM of 3 and 45. The LCM of 3 and 45 is 45. We will solve it. 3 से इसे डिवाइड करेंगे 45 को, तो क्या मिलेगा हमें? 15. Then we will multiply 15 to 2. 15 to the 30 minus 7. The answer will be 23 upon 45. Clear है यहाँ तक? Next, right hand side we will take A plus B plus C. Now values 2 by 3 plus minus 3 by 5. C की क्या वैल्यू है? 4 by 9. Now again take the LCM of 3 and 5. 3 and 5, the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10 minus 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9 plus 4 upon 9. Then we will solve it. 10 minus 9 is 1 upon 15 plus 4 upon 9. What we will do? Again we will take the LCM of 15 and 9. What we will get? The LCM of 15 and 9 is 45. 15 3s are 45, 3 plus 9 5s are 45 and 5 4s are 20. So the answer will be 23 by 45. So we are going to check the values. 23/45 जो हमारी a plus b plus c से आई थी. Now ब्रैकेट a plus b plus c से क्या वैल्यूज आई है? अगेन 23/45. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is that a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c, and we can say addition is associative for rational numbers. Clear है यहाँ तक? Next we are going to discuss for another mathematical operation, that is subtraction. For subtraction, for any three rational numbers a, b and c, we will check whether a minus b minus c is equals to a minus b minus c or not. ये चेक करेंगे. दैट इज द प्रॉपर्टी फॉर एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन फॉर रैशनल नंबर्स, कि ये इसके इक्वल है या नहीं. अगेन वी विल टेक द वैल्यूज ऑफ a, b and c. लेट a is equals to -2/3, b is equals to 4/9 and c is equals to 1/3. a minus b minus c, we will put the values in it. a की वैल्यू है -2/3, b की क्या वैल्यू है? b की वैल्यू है 4/9 minus 1/3. स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग दिस. सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट के अंदर सॉल्व करेंगे. एलसीएम ऑफ 9 and 3 विल बी 9. 9 1s are 9, तो 4 1s are 4 minus 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So the answer will be -2/3 minus 1/9. Again we will take the LCM. It will be 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. -6 -1. -7/9. That is the solution of a minus b minus c. Next, right hand side. Right hand side is a minus b minus c. We will put the value. a की क्या वैल्यू है? a की वैल्यू है -2/3, -2/3 माइनस b की क्या वैल्यू है? -4/9. देन माइनस what is the value of c? 1/3. Again we will take the LCM. It will be 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. -6 -4. -6 -4 will be -10/9 -1/3. The LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. 9 ones are 9, so it will become minus 10. Minus 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. Minus 13 upon 9. So we will check whether these two values are equal or not. इसका क्या आंसर आया था? a माइनस बी माइनस सी का आंसर था सॉल्यूशन करके -7 अपॉन 9, और a माइनस बी माइनस सी का आंसर आया है -13/9. These two values are not equal, so we can say a minus b minus c is not equals to a minus b minus c. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is that we can say subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. क्लियर है यहाँ तक? Next we are going to discuss another mathematical operation, that is multiplication. We are going to discuss associative property of multiplication for rational numbers. To check this property, what we will check? We will check whether a into b into c is equals to a into b into c or not. For any three rational numbers a, b, c, we will check this property, that is the associative property of multiplication for rational numbers. Again we will take the values, any values we can take, any rational number. A is equals to -2/9, b is equals to 5/4, and c is equals to 8/9. In three values के लिए firstly we will take a into b into c, left hand side, and start putting the values. What is the value of a? A is -2/9. So -2/9 multiply. What is the value of b? 5/4 into c की value 8/9. Now start solving this. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. -2/9 into 5 twos are 10, 9 ones are 9. Again solve this. -20 upon 81. That is the solution of a into b into c. Now we are going to take right hand side, a into b into c. Again start putting the values of a, b, c. What is the value of a? A is -2/9 multiply 5/4 into c की वैल्यू क्या है? 8/9. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. बाकी कुछ भी कट नहीं हो रहा है बच्चों इसमें. So what will be the value? 5 -5/18 into 8/9. Now solve this. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. The answer will be -20/81. That is the value of a into b into c. So we can check that these two values are equal. So what is the conclusion? A into b into c is equals to a into b into c. So we can say multiplication is associative for rational numbers. क्लियर है ये प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ तक? नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस डिवीजन. दैट इज आवर लास्ट मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन. फॉर डिवीजन what we can say, we will check for any three rational numbers we will check whether A division B divided by C is equals to A divided by B divided C. We will check this property whether this equals to this or not. Whether this equals to this or not. So what we will take? We will take the values. Let A is equals to 1 by 2, B is equal to 1 by 3 and C is equals to 2 by 5. Start putting the values in the A division. B divided by C is equals to A की वैल्यू क्या है 1 by 2 डिवाइड B की क्या वैल्यू ली है हमने 1 by 3 एंड C की वैल्यू क्या ली है 2 by 5. So in the continuation of this we are going to solve this 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. What we will do? We will change the sign into multiplication by reversing the value. It will become 5 by 2. Now cut it. कुछ भी कट नहीं हो रहा है इसमें, तो जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई 5 1 जा 5 upon 3 2 जा 6. Again what we will do? We will convert it into multiplication by changing the value, reversing the value into 6 by 5. 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, 3 by 5. So we can say that A divided by B divided by C is equals to 3 by 5. Now we will take the right hand side. What is the right hand side? Right hand side is A divided by B bracket में divided by C. Again start putting the values. A की क्या वैल्यू है? A की वैल्यू है 1 by 2 डिवाइडेड बाय B की क्या वैल्यू है 1 by 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 by 5. ये वैल्यूज हमने पुट कर ली. देन वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व 1 by 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3 by 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 by 5. 3 by 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 by 5. 3 by 2 इस डिवीजन का साइन किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. इट विल बिकम 5 by 2. सो द आंसर विल बी 15 upon 4. 15 upon 4. We will check whether these two answers are equal. These two answers are not equal for these values. So what is the conclusion? We can say A divided by B divided by C is not equals to A divided by B divided by C. ये दोनों इक्वल नहीं है. So we can say division is not associative Division is not associative for rational numbers. So students, this is the property for the associative property for rational number. I think आपको सबको क्लियर हो गई होगी प्रॉपर्टी. सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टीज़ के साथ. थैंक यू सो मच.